This world needs some loud, man. Trap. Andre doing his reality stuff. Yeah, nigga, buckle up, bro. Buckle up, I said nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, I put action on my words, no. Buckle up, I said nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, don't be capping on my words, no. Buckle up, I said nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, I put action on my words, no. Buckle up, I said nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, don't be capping on my words, no. Buckle up, I said nigga buckle up. Could you marry big bobo ara ni medicine? I be on my weed every day cause that's my medicine. Like fella, I be on music, I ain't no medicine. I'm trying to make you understand the words of my mouth. It's not because of pride, I ain't no bragging cause I know my words. I'll let you decide and figure your way out. Even if you find your way out, it wouldn't still be the same route. Face your fears while I face my own. Happy or passes in, I'll still have a good time. This ain't no album, it's just a better time. And let me mess up, baby, I swear. Oh yeah, nice one. Me only laju me like it I'll stand on my grind, make money and stay focused. This shit is so personal cause I owe myself a lot. Now you sabi, if this your real cap in a cap a lot. I'm the good. Buckle up, I say nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, I put action on my words, no. Buckle up, I say nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, don't be capping on my words, no. Buckle up, I say nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, I put action on my words, no. Buckle up, I say nigga buckle up. These niggas talk too much, don't be capping on my words, no. Girito balanule la langbale enter. I lock the keys to my house so there's no way to enter. It's up to you to allow people in or out. But if they mess up one time, tell them to get the fuck out. I don't care if you understand my rhymes, I'm just putting words together and I hope I'm alright. It doesn't matter who and what I'm talking about. It's just a message piece meant to go round about. No, I be on my daily medications, God I beg, ceiling is all I have banging in my head. All more it isn't that requires a lot of help, but who I feel look up to no man. So God I beg, so I pick up my loud and all I do is roll some blunt. Get some pharmaceuticals together to roll some joints. A little Henny and syrup will be alright, and the bad bitch by the poolside to cool my mind. God I beg. This loud go well, oh my bro. Yeah, we be the reality stuff, man. All day reality. Trap, Andre.